In today's tutorial, we are going to create a beautiful cartoon video like this.
Hi, Octo. My babies are so scared of that elephant. Can you help us?
Hi, Fish. Don't worry. Let me see if my friend Birdie can help us.
With the help of 2 free tools. Number 1, Canva.com to create, animate, and render the video. Number 2, and Prime Voice AI to generate the voiceover and will incorporate everything together.
Step 1. Open a free Canva account. For that, in Google, typcanva.com, and this is a dashboard, which should open in front of you. Here in the search bar, please drive the spare ratio, like for me, this YouTube long-form video. That will open me a lot many templates. Now for making such cartoon video, animated video, I would be taking a blank template. Before starting to create such animation, you should have 2 things in your mind. First, the story, which you're going to create, and the second one is the number of characters for me. There are a couple of characters which I have framed up. I have to take a fish, a jellyfish, or an octopus, an elephant, a bird in a village background. So all these things I should be having in my mind before starting to create animation. Next, to create the background. There are 2 places where you can get the background. The first one would be an element. You can type like iPhone 80s cartoon, village background in all section. You will get these different types of village pictures. So you can go to graphics to see different types of village pictures here. So I have taken this picture. You can choose any as for your story. So take the background, right click and save the image as background. Now this is going to be once scene which I'm going to use. Suppose you don't find a proper background here in elements. Then the second option, and the best option according to me, is to create it. So you will have to go a little downwards. This is the text to image option, which should appear in the left widget. Little downwards. If you don't find it, then you'll have to go to this app section. It should appear at the top. Text to image option right. So I will go to text to image, and I will type the same description of the image which I want to create. So this is going to be the description. Your description should be as close as you can imagine, okay? So once you do this, then you need to create the picture. And it will take a while. And AI will generate amazing for different types of pictures according to the description you have given. So see here, they have given for different types of pictures as for the description provided to them. So here, if you want, you can take any of these pictures, right click and save that as background as well. If you don't like either of it, you can create a game, and the AI will generate new pictures according to the description which is provided. Look at this. These are amazing. So you can choose anyone from this. So again, they have generated for pictures from me. And I like this one. I will right click and save this as background. Likewise, you can choose any of these pictures, suiting the best for your story. Now I will come again to elements, and I will type the other element's name. Next is a fish, and I'll just straight away go to graphics, and you may choose any of these fishes. Few fishes will come with animation already animated. So like that, I am getting this fish, so I'm going to use this click, and it will come on the screen, and you'll have to resize it for me. It is a story of a fish and her babies. So I will just click, position it here, and then keep duplicating by clicking on the duplicate button, and I will generate the babies look alike. Now I want babies of same size, and then again another baby should be little smaller. So likewise, I have got 3 babies and a mother. Okay, and then I need a jellyfish, right? So for this story, I'm taking this animated octopus, and I'll resize it by dragging the corner, either of the corners, and position it here. And now I need to animate this one. I want this fish to be coming close to this octopus and say something, right? So I will select this, go to animation, and go to this, create an animation. So see, this is the second AI tool. First one we have used in text-to-image AI. And now we are using another free tool, which is create an animation AI tool. You can animate any object the way you want. So I will just click on create an animation option, and then I will simply create the path and bring it close to Octopus. Okay, and make it smooth. Okay, likewise, I will select the second one as well. Go to animate, create an animation, and I want her also to follow her mother. And then I will make it smooth same way. I will just do it done. Then the third one, animate. Create animation. And then I will make her also follow her sister and her mother. And then I will make it smooth and done. And finally, the little one. I'll go and select the little one. Go to animate. Create animation. And I want her definitely to follow her mom. So just move it and done. And this is how my vocal Felicia fishes are coming close to Octopus. Now this is time when I should be giving a pop-up. So what I'll do for that is go to this top right inside corner, 3 dots, and duplicate the page. And now you'll love to go to animation and remove all animations because we want all these fishes to stand still here. Right, so just select all these fishes together by pressing Shift on your keyboard, and then group them together and bring them to the position where they should be. Okay, now I need a pop-up, right? So I will go to Elements and I will type here, Peach Bubble. Okay, I need a speech bubble. So as soon as you type this in graphics section, you will get many different types of speech bubble. I'm taking a simple one. Okay, so I will situate the speech bubble here. Make it a little smaller. Okay, and then I will go to text box. I will take a text here. Just bring it within the bubble. And then you keep typing the dialogue. For me, the dialogue would be, "Hi Octo, can you help me to save my babies from that animal?" Position it here. I will make it bold. I will make the color red. You can get more colors from here. I would take the darker red. This one, okay. And then I will press Shift again and group this together. Then I'll go to position and choose back. Okay, so if I want, I can just position it here. Now one more thing I forgot here. I love to bring that animal, which this fish is talking about. That's an elephant, right? I'll again come here and type elephant. And I will get different types of elephants in graphics, so I'll take one animated one. Well, I've taken this animated elephant. Make it small and place it here. Okay, and to make this act more fast, what I'll do is I'll take some water splash. So I'll dive water splash. Enter in graphics, I get different types of water. Elephant, and then I will keep on duplicating it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will keep on scattering them here and there. And the second scene, by going to these 3 dots and duplicate the page, and then that will create the same duplicate page. And here I need to shift the speech bubble towards Octopus. And now this is time when Octopus will say something. Octopus says, "Hi fish. Don't worry, let me check if my friend Buddy is here." So once I started doing this, I need a bird character to be animated from outside to inside the frame. For that, I need to type bird here, and in graphics, I'll get different types of birds. So I'll choose one suitable so I'll take this one. Now the bird is flying the left inside. I want it to be flipped, so I will go to this flip option and flip horizontally. Now I will simply make it a little smaller and bring it outside the frame. Outside the frame like so. And then animate it in the next. next slide. So I love to go to this part and go to duplicate slide. Here I will take this part and animate it Go to animation, create an animation, and here I will make this bird fly and sit here. And go to smooth animation and done. And make this bird sit. So I will take another bird here. This one and make it sit here. So I want my bar to be sitting here. So I'll make it small and sit in the next scene. Now I know you are impatient to see how is the final thing coming up. So don't worry, I'm going to do that. 2 more steps left in the next slide. I want my bird to look for a yacht. For that I need a video of a stream right. So I will come downwards here. I will take just I will. Let me delete this. I will just go to this plus button to get a clear. Canvas here, and then I will come little downwards here. And in video I will type stream. So this is done. And now this is time when I should be bringing my yacht. So same way in the elements you love to click yacht. So I'm taking this one. And I will also take a wave. So this yacht and this wave should go together. So I'll just make them march them together. I'll just bring the wave in the right place. Like so, and select the yacht and wave by suppressing shift together and then animate. Bring it here at the edge. So go to create animation and same way I must do this animation. From this way to this way and make it smooth, okay. And you can increase the speed also and done. Once the animation is done, now this is the second part of the final part. To bring the background music and audio. So what I'll do is I will go to Chrome again. Chrome browser and type Prime Voice AI. And in 11 Labs you'll have to use the first link. And right click and open it in the new tab. If you want, you can create a free account. You can also use, just like that without creating the account. If you're creating the account, you will be allowed to have almost 9,300 words code. So all you need to do is you need to go to this speed synthesis option and select your audio artist. For each character, male or female, the voice setting should always be by default. And here you can choose any like language, or me this English. So I will keep English only, okay, and paste your dialogue which you have created here. Let's suppose I want this dialogue to be created. So I will go to 11 Labs, and I will just paste the dialogue, and then simply generate the speech. Once the speech is generated, let's go friends, get on the boat. Okay, once the speech is generated, then you need to come here at the bottom left and side corner and download the same. And once downloaded, come back to your kind of account. Go to this upload section. Go to upload file section. And from here, you get the access of that downloaded file. In the download option, you simply need to select this and open or drag and drop it, and it will appear in audio section. Once it appears here, you need to simply go to audio and drag the respective file in a slide where it should be. Like for me, this one should be in the first slide. Second slide rather. So I will have to situate and have to adjust the slide duration according to my speech duration. Likewise, you will simply drag and drag all the dialogues and adjust your scenes according to the dialogue's duration. So once this part is done, you are ready to render. You can also change the voice sound like the volume by clicking here. Go to audio, effect, and you can give a fading fade out. You can also go to this volume option and you can increase or decrease the volume as audio requirement. You can also go for beat sync, okay. So once all these are done, you can see the final videos link here and go to share and download in MP4 format. Make sure all the pages are clicked. And if you don't want a couple of pages to be downloaded, then you can uncheck that for me. All should be checked and then done and then downloaded. and once I rendered it, downloaded it successfully. This is the final project.
Hi, Octo. My babies are so scared of that elephant. Can you help us?
Hi, Fish, don't worry. Let me see if my friend Birdie can help us.
What happened, Octo? Why are you looking so worried?
I need to rescue my friend Fish and her babies from that enormous elephant. Can you help us?
Let me see if I may see some boats around.
Let's go, friends. Get on the boat.
Hooray! We all are safe now.
Having a true friend is always a blessing.